Okay guys, PG Silverman Adventures, I'm back. It's been 14 days since my last video when I tried to test my arm surgery out, see how that went. It was alright, but now I've been cooped up in the house, getting my therapy, driving me totally nuts. So I had to get out. I gotta meet somebody down here. It's a fellow YouTuber today, and I don't think he'll be fishing, but he's a kayaker, but I want to try here until I meet him in about another hour. So I'll get an hour in this crazy wind. This lousy day, it's cold, two tides. Tides coming in till like 8 o'clock tonight, so it's still pretty low, but I'm gonna give it a try, guys. You know, get out of the house. So what I'm gonna do, let's try it. So I'll see you when I get going. Peace, bye, bye. Okay guys, what I'm gonna try and do, I got a little crazy jig with some squid on it, and I'm gonna try and cast myself with my, you know what, my favorite Berkley Go. I'm gonna cast her out, see how my arm feels with that one. So I'm gonna throw this one out, guys, and see what happens. Check my drag, it's a little easy, not to leave it. All right, let's get this booger out here, hopefully I catch something. Don't want it too tight here. Alrighty. Work it super slow. I don't care if they steal my bait off here or not. But like I said, guys, I've been cooped up since the last video in 2020. Now it's 2021. This is the what day is it? 11th? Something like that. Quite ahead. We'll just see what happens. See if I can see a fish by these pilings. Bring it here closer to them. I don't know if I see something there. Yeah, I probably won't get a bite, guys, but probably won't even make it a video. But I had to come out and get out the house. I could try and post these crazy little rocks here. My other line is right there. Yeah, it's cold, guys. Probably like 53 with the wind right now. But I got my flight jacket on from when I used to work at the airport here in Sarasota. Alright guys, I'm gonna remove this other bait. I'll be right back. Well guys, something's stealing my shrimp. Of course the wind, my line's blowing this way. I can't feel anything. I got a circle down there, so hopefully someone with a big mouth or a bigger sheep's head or something bites that crazy thing. So I can't feel it because the line's, like I said, too windy, but I still wanted to get out. I'm not complaining at all. Line is, I won't be able to feel them when they steal it. They trying to. Come here, you. Wind blowing my stuff all over the place. Well, as you can see, I did catch myself already. The little new hooks I got are sharp as heck. Alright, let me just throw a little bit over here. A little bit more. Come on, fish. I'm giving you some lazy stuff, babes. Just come on, pick it up and go. Watching Blue Gabe the other day and asking me who uses ugly sticks. Well guys, I use ugly sticks, intercoastal. I got like 10 of them. 5 bait casters and 5 spinners, so I've never had any problem. I've had some of my raw ugly sticks 20 years. 20 years and nothing broke on them. All right, guys, I'm gonna turn it off until I get a bite. Okay, guys, they kept wearing out them other shrimp nut. They didn't like them at all. They don't even steal them, so I put some fish bites on here. And we'll try that for a while. Got it down there for 45 minutes. She was supposed to be the other YouTuber. So, oh, yeah. Dang. That wind is something else. So hopefully I'll get some on fish bite. I can turn this thing back on if I still catch the fish. Well, guys, I gave up. I tried all them dried up shrimp bites, shrimp, squid, not even a nib. I thought something I got a nibble one time, took my shrimp off there. Probably just fell off. Either way, I'm still waiting for her to meet that other YouTuber. But again, I just wanted to get out, guys. Appreciate every one of you watching my vids. You know, even you guys from overseas, my Australian buddies, my Korean friends, everybody watching. Appreciate you guys. But I looked on my thing the other day and 90% of the people that watch my videos are not subscribed. I mean, I'm not complaining, but it'd be nice to have 90% of them subscribed. I have more than 240 subscribers, but I was just happy at 70 when my age, guys. So triple that, so I'm still doing good. So, okay, guys, PG here, Silverman Adventures. I told you I was waiting for my new friend, my fellow YouTuber. He is right
Gary.
there.
Oh, that was not me.
Gary's truck's going off. I guess he didn't want to talk.
Okay, let's go back.
Okay, guys, we tried it just a minute ago. PG here, Silverman Adventures. This is My Fishing Life with Gary, right?
Hi there, yes sir.
He's got his own YouTube channel. Check it out. This guy can catch some fish. He's got his own kayak and he goes all over the place. Since I can't catch him, because I only wait fish, I'm gonna wait for him to catch him and eat all his.
Well, our next trip, we're gonna go out together and catch some nice fish, that's for sure.
Yeah, so we're gonna try. He said he got an extra kayak, guys, so I'll try with him. I really appreciate him inviting me and have the other few things. So we'll make a good video pretty soon. Make sure to check out his YouTube channel, My Fishing Life with Gary.
That's right.
This is Silverman Adventures. We just started about a year ago, both of us, so help us out, guys. Tell your friends, tell everybody. We'll get going. We'll make some real good vids. He can cook too also, and I can cook. So we'll try that, right, brother?
Absolutely.
All right. See y'all. Peace.
See you all.
All right.